In this segment, Stephan begins by exploring the essence of mindfulness, a practice rooted in being present and fully engaged with the moment without judgment. He elaborates on how mindfulness serves as a powerful tool to counteract the stresses of modern life. By embracing mindfulness, individuals can significantly enhance their mental and emotional well-being. Stephan points out that regular mindfulness practice can lead to deeper self-awareness, reduced stress levels, and an improved sense of peace and satisfaction in daily life. This practice is not only about quieting the mind but also about opening up to the full experience of life. Stephan underscores the importance of creating a conducive environment for mindfulness practice. He advises that the selected space should minimize distractions, promoting a sense of peace and focus. Comfortable seating is crucial as it encourages longer, undisturbed sessions of mindfulness. Additionally, incorporating elements of nature, such as plants or a view of a garden, can enhance the calming effect of the practice area. By carefully setting up the environment, practitioners can significantly improve the quality of their mindfulness sessions, leading to better focus and more effective stress management. Consistency is key in establishing a successful mindfulness practice, as Stephan highlights. To foster a sustainable routine, selecting a specific time of day for the practice is essential. This helps in forming a habit, making mindfulness a regular part of one's daily schedule. Stephan also recommends setting a consistent duration for each session, whether it's 5 minutes or half an hour, to build a strong foundational habit. Regularity not only enhances the discipline required for mindfulness but also maximizes its benefits, including improved focus and decreased stress levels over time. Stephan introduces foundational mindfulness techniques to ease newcomers into the practice. Focused breathing, where attention is centered on the breath as it flows in and out, serves as a simple yet powerful method to anchor the mind in the present moment. Additionally, body scans are discussed, guiding practitioners to move their focus gradually through different parts of the body. This helps in recognizing tension and fostering relaxation. For those beginning their mindfulness journey, Stephan suggests leveraging technology by using apps or audio guides, which provide structured guidance and can enhance the learning experience. Stephan addresses typical obstacles that novices encounter in mindfulness practice, particularly the issue of wandering thoughts. He emphasizes the normalcy of this challenge and offers techniques to gently steer focus back to the present. Rather than struggling against distractions, the key is acknowledging them and returning to the mindfulness exercise. Stephan also dispels common myths surrounding mindfulness, notably the misconception that complete silence is essential for effective practice. He clarifies that while a quieter setting can be helpful, mindfulness can be practiced effectively amidst everyday noises, making it accessible in various environments.